thumb though?
We're gonna put it. You didn't need 7 handle go with it. Tom's got one. We just haven't put one with us.
Okay.
It runs, Bernie. It runs perfectly.
Somebody's actually knocking. You're the first person to knock.
Oh. And then we would
Call him
go
an A.
My cat would be going nuts right now.
backwards through it, but it would be like 8, 7, 8, 6, 8, 5, 8, 4. So you got the intervals right. And one of them, no, not one.
You have no idea.
Morgan, I'm going to talk to you.
Anybody else?
Yeah, but come here because I might get something screwed up. This girl stopped us in the parking lot and Hoover. And she said, oh, can you put it in there? And I said, yeah. And she said that a friend of hers that was really into it, that got her into it, but he got on the side and he died a couple months ago. And she was, I love him so much. She goes, I wanted to.
Yeah, exactly. That was exactly what
I would have loved to see the floor tool for it.
I think I might have a picture of it in ours. You know what? I have a picture of it in my notebook back in my hotel room.
Do you?
Yes.
I've never seen those damn things.
It's got like a cone type filter thing, or
I don't know. Because the best, as far as I was, the Electrolux tanks, the old stainless steel ones were beautiful. Oh, I've got one. I love it. Love it. CB.
it's a CB.
Yes, it matched the 1205. It was from that.
Yeah, it's a cone filter. There you can see it.
It's a big filter too.
Does that hurt your ears like it does mine?
Is the bearing?
No, the bearing's fine. There's also a bicentennial celebrity. I can show you that one too.
All right.
Celebrity Power Hour.
Sure.
Sorry, I didn't mean to wander through you. Sure.
Because they keep family units together.
This is the bicentennial
Right.
celebrity Power Hour. Oh!
Unless you live in Atlanta.
Why is that?
Nothing.
And they started upstairs.
I think every first story, Rob will tell you there's, what, Rob, what do you tell me?
Got a big garage. I don't know how.
Somebody stay late. And she had one of those sitting there.
Yeah, yeah.
You already had that sitting aside. So I never got it. One that Jeff Parker sent to get my bits. Always sent me a hood, and I got a handle one time, and another day I got a bag. If you run across a bag for a machine like this, 20 of those run forever.
Yeah, there's a lot of those. Yeah.
This one's got a handy sack in it.
Oh.
That's why I have two of those. Gary Ball actually. Crest with the cord where they're both sitting together.
Right.
Kind of shoved behind some industrial cleaners, you know.
Right.
I thought, well, we need those. We can't leave those there
Absolutely not.
because they're very hard to come by.
With a cord reel? Oh, yeah.
But unfortunately,
They're the same.
this is a 65.
Just float the air biscuit and walk away. I think I'll sit on all the kids are. There you go.
Yes.
Very nice.
You see the cord reels in here? Ian?
Yes. I have the UK Civic. They always have a grip. Even on their little juniors, they have a grip. Because this one goes with that little piece of red one in there.
Oh, okay. Then there was a conic to match as well.
Mm-hmm. We didn't have one in that. Well,
That
The third one.
near enough.
Yeah.
That was big. One of those rare occasions in which she didn't want it.
There was one on top of the refrigerator in the.
In a box, yes. With the blue. Well, I saw it.
Oh.
Yes, yes. So I pretty much had free reign to fill up a van and 2 pickup trucks as much as I could for an hour a day. 8 hours. I worked my butt off, didn't fall out. What she didn't want, I just took it.
I guess not.
And what I didn't get, pretty much, my friend Ed at Morrison's got it. He's doing okay. Is Jimmy here? I guess. All right, Jimmy's here to sell stuff. We're gonna be over at Jimmy's territory tomorrow. I'll be there to help recruit it. Agitate. Do I gotta go this way? Some of them jump up and down. I don't want to be the one that jumps up and down.
Queen's like,
Oh, really?
Don't even
Now I
ask.
understand.
Don't even ask.
Don't ask.
explain something to me. 707.
You explain it to me, because when you figure it out, then you tell me, because I don't know. It is a 707.
I believe you.
And
All right.